Bougie Hood Meal. Don't judge me. I already know what you're thinking. And the answer is yes. This is a full meal. Here's what we are working with today: one boiled egg, one pork chop, onions, spinach, and seasoning. And good taste because the last ingredient is free and I always have it on hand. Now, before you say anything, this is a balanced meal. We got our proteins, we got our greens, we got flavor. Don't even try to come for me. I'm putting this pork chop in the air fryer because I'm bougie like that. I don't pan fry anymore. That's the old me. The new me used the air fryer and act like she knows what she's doing. While that is cooking, I am sauteing my onions and spinach together. Just listen to that sizzle. That's right. There is a sound of a good meal coming. Look at it. Look at it. Golden, crispy, seasoned properly. The air fryer did not come to play today. Now we'll plate it. We'll cut it. We'll mix it and salt with the sauteed onions and spinach. We'll put a boiled egg on top of it or mix it because the presentation matters even when you eating at home by yourself. This is a five-star restaurant. No, does it taste like it? Absolutely yes. Comment below. What's your bougie hood meal? Because I know I am not the only one eating good on the budget. Follow me for more real meals every week, friend.